To properly clean the lid, we start by spraying a little alcohol on the lid, then clean with a microfiber cloth. Finally, we wipe with a piece of paper towel. Once the lid is clean, we can proceed with removing it. It is very important to place the film with the single hole in the side of the hinge of the case. First, we go to place the film on the lid. Make sure to place it in the center. We are going to block the film with small pieces of Scotch paper. With a marker, we are going to make a small mark on the points that we will have to drill. We now proceed to apply the first part of the film with the help of a spatula. Let's produce now with the removal of the tape. Finally, we proceed with the application of the last part of the film. For a better job, help yourself with a spatula. For the single hole, we use a 6 mm diameter drill bit. For the two rear holes, we use a drill bit with a diameter of 3.5 mm. Let us now assemble the support, paying attention to the various steps shown in the video. To tighten the nut, we use a size 10 spanner and a size 4 Allen key. And finally, put on the nut cover. Now proceed with the installation of the magnetic system. Follow the steps shown on the screen carefully. To tighten the nut, we use an Allen key size 2 and a spanner size 5.5. To secure the bag, we fit the rear part into the specific holder and accompany the bag until it is attached to the magnetic system. For removal, just pull the tab. To ensure the water tightness of the inner bag, it is important to turn the rule top closure at least 3 times. For added security, we can also use the belts provided. We pass the belt through the buckle of the bag and then into the plastic corner of the case. Now repeat this step on the opposite angle. for convenient transport, use the shoulder strap provided.